After showcasing the next-generation GX, Lexus introduced an all-new model designed to replace the three-row RXL. However, where the RX was stretched as an afterthought, the TX was always designed with extra seating in mind. Sharing a platform with the Toyota Grand Highlander, the TX is an extremely large vehicle. But that's the point, as the manufacturer was clearly trying to maximize interior volume without sacrificing cargo. Storage behind the rear seats of the RXL was unsuitable for long trips when fully loaded with people, and the TX's dimensions are supposed to remedy that. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Lexus designed the TX to prioritize aerodynamic performance while wearing the new unified grille. Designers linked the narrow headlights with a subtle trim piece across the front. At the back, a full-width, L-shaped light bar stretches below the Lexus branding. In terms of size, the TX measures 203.1 inches long, 78.3 inches wide, and 70.1 inches tall, with a wheelbase that spans 116.1 inches. To put those numbers into perspective, the model is 4.6 inches longer than the Cadillac XT6 and has a 3.4-inch longer wheelbase. The 2024 TX will go on sale in 4 grades: Standard, Premium, Luxury, and F-Sport Performance. 20-inch wheels are the factory spec for the Standard, Premium, and Luxury grades. Lexus will offer 22-inch options for the TX 350 Luxury, which are standard on the 550h Plus. The 500h F-Sport trim also wears 22-inch rims with an exclusive design. Depending on the grade, it'll come in one of 7 exterior colors. The colors are Cloudburst Gray, Wind Chill Pearl, Caviar, Matador Red Mica, Nightfall Mica, Incognito, and Celestial Silver Metallic. Inside, Lexus offers an available 12.3-inch infotainment display and a head-up display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Customers can upgrade to an optional 21-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, which is available for all powertrains. The crossover has 7 charging outlets and 3 power outlets. Second-row captain's chairs or a 60/40 split folding bench are available. The 2-seat layout is available with a removable second-row center console. The TX rides on the GAK platform, which also underpins the new Toyota Grand Highlander. There are some similarities in the exterior and interior styling. The new TX is larger than the 2022 RXL. This equates to significantly more cargo capacity. The TX offers 20.1 cubic feet behind the third row, 57.4 cubic feet behind the second, and a whopping 97 cubic feet with both rows folded flat. Pricing remains a mystery, but the model will slot above the RX, which begins at $48,950. This suggests the TX could start in the low to mid $50,000 range, which would be a hefty premium over the Grand Highlander that begins at $43,070 and climbs to $54,040 in hybrid max guise. The new TX should slot between the new RX and the all-new 2024 GX that also launched last week, which should start at around $60,000. With the 2023 RX already at $50,000, the TX could have a price tag in the low to mid $50,000 range. Lexus will build the TX at its Indiana factory. The automaker specifically designed the crossover for the North American market, which will go on sale later this year. Lexus expects the TX 350 and 500h to go on sale this fall, with the TX 550h Plus reaching dealers later. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.